Welcome back to the Daily Leetcode Grind. Today we are tackling problem 2573, find the string with LCP. As always, if anything in this explanation doesn't quite click, just drop a comment below and I will try my best to answer it for you. Here is the official problem page. It looks a little bit complicated with all the definitions, so let me explain the problem visually. LCP stands for Longest Common Prefix. It's a way of measuring how much the beginnings of two words overlap. We are given a square grid of numbers, which tells us exactly how the letters in our mystery string relate to each other. Specifically, the number at row I and column J tells us how many characters overlap if we start reading our string from position I and also from position J. The biggest takeaway here is that if that grid number is greater than 0, it absolutely means the letter at position I is the exact same as the letter at position J. Our ultimate job is to construct the alphabetically smallest string possible that perfectly matches this entire grid of rules. We can solve this using a two-step method called greedy construction. To ensure our word is alphabetically smallest, we build the string from left to right, always trying to assign the letter a first. When we assign a letter to a spot, we look across its row in the grid to find all other spots that must have the exact same letter, and we fill them in too. Once a group is done, we move to the next empty spot in our word, assign the next available letter like B, and repeat the process. An important edge case to handle is if our grid demands more than 26 unique letters. If we try to increment past Z, it means no valid string exists, so we return an empty string. Once we greedily build a candidate string, we aren't done yet. We have to verify that it actually satisfies all the specific numbers in the grid, not just the zeros and non-zeros. We can verify this efficiently by checking the grid backwards, making sure each cell equals the cell diagonally down and to the right, +1. Here is the complete Python solution, showing both the construction and the verification steps. Let's break down the tricky parts. If you want to test this code out yourself without retyping it, you can go to the leetcodeunlocked.com/link in the description, so you can copy the exact code shown here. Now getting back to the explanation. For the setup, we create an empty array for our word and start a counter tracking the ASCII value for the letter A. Next, for every empty spot, we assign our current letter. Then, the inner J loop immediately copies that letter to any other index where the grid says they share a prefix. Finally, the verification phase loops backwards from the end of the string. If the letters match, the grid value must follow the +1 diagonal rule. If they don't, the grid value must be exactly 0. Let's visualize this. Imagine a 3x3 grid. We start at the first row, see it's empty, and assign a phi-m to the first spot. If our grid says the first and third positions are related, we immediately place an A there too. Then, when we move to the middle spot, it gets the next letter, B. Because we process the n by n grid essentially twice, our time complexity is big O of n squared. Space is order 1, since we only use the output string array. The main takeaways here are using a greedy approach for alphabetically smallest requirements, and the powerful pattern of generating a candidate first and verifying it second. Alright, that covers the Python solution. As promised, here are the full solutions for Java, C++, and JavaScript. Here is the full solution in Java. Next up, here is the C++ version. And finally, here is the solution in JavaScript. Just a quick channel update. You can probably tell this is narrated by AI, which I use to generate these guides instantly so I can study faster. I've also slightly tweaked the video format recently, so please let me know your feedback on the new style in the comments, and remember to ask any questions you have about the problem there too. Before we finish up, I want to mention I have another channel called Leetcode Unlocked. I'm on a mission to eventually post a solution for literally every single Leetcode problem on the platform. If you want to study problems outside of just the daily challenge, make sure to check it out. If you want to help support that goal of covering every problem, you can donate at buymeaboba.com/leetcodedaily. Also, please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I post the daily Leetcode problem as soon as it comes out so you can get your streak done early. Keep coding, and I'll catch you in the next one.